Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed seeds in your diet. Incorporating a variety of seeds into your daily meals offers numerous health advantages. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. They can significantly support your heart health, improve digestion, and provide a boost of antioxidants, contributing to your overall well-being. It's an easy and effective way to enhance your nutritional intake. Let's explore some popular seed varieties and their unique benefits. Chia seeds are fantastic for creating nutritious puddings or thickening smoothies, absorbing up to 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid. Flax seeds, when ground, offer excellent omega-3 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc and magnesium, while sunflower seeds provide a good amount of vitamin E, adding a satisfying texture to many meals. Each type brings its own special nutritional profile. Integrating mixed seeds into your daily routine is surprisingly simple. Start by adding 1 or 2 tablespoons to your breakfast, perhaps in oatmeal or yogurt. You can also sprinkle a tablespoon over your lunch salad or soup for an extra crunch and nutritional boost. For a quick nutrient upgrade, blend 2 tablespoons into your morning smoothie. Don't forget to try incorporating them into your baking, like muffins or homemade energy bars, for a healthy twist. Proper storage ensures your seeds remain fresh and potent. Keep whole seeds in an airtight container away from heat and light. For ground flax seeds, refrigeration or freezing is best to prevent oxidation and maintain their beneficial properties. When it comes to quantity, a daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons of mixed seeds is generally recommended for most adults. Remember to introduce new seeds slowly into your diet to help your body adjust comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.